When you search for ladder racks for your truck, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to know what really works for your needs, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1: VEVOR Extendable Ladder Rack. The VEVOR Extendable Steel Truck Ladder Rack caught my attention with its impressive 800 pounds capacity and non-drilling installation. Priced at $119.90, it's a solid choice if you want reliable support for transporting kayaks or lumber without a hassle. This is crucial if you're looking to transport larger items without worrying about fitting issues. Plus, it's built from heavy-duty alloy steel, so you know it can handle the weight. With 2 ratchet straps included, you can easily secure your load, ensuring peace of mind when you're on the road. It's also powder-coated, so rust won't be a problem, ideal for all weather conditions. Now, some users did mention that installation can be a bit tricky without a second pair of hands. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, it's sturdy and reliable, making it worth the initial challenge. This rack is perfect for you if you frequently haul bulky items like kayaks or ladders. Skip this one if your truck has a toolbox or tonneau cover, as it won't fit. Honestly, for the price, you're getting a lot of value for something that's built to last. Now, if the installation concerns you, the next product has a simpler approach. Product number 2: JY Performance Ladder Rack. Next up is the JY Performance Truck Bed Ladder Rack, priced at $116.99. It's another solid option with an 800 pounds capacity, designed for those who need reliable support without drilling. What truly stands out with this rack is its universal fit, adjustable from 49 to 73 inches. It's made from heavy-duty 10-gauge alloy steel, ensuring durability while distributing weight evenly across the rack. Each upright features rope hooks for secure tie-downs, which you'll appreciate if you're hauling items like lumber or pipes. Over 414 reviewers have rated it 4.6 stars, showing it's well-loved by users. However, some users reported that the instructions could be clearer during installation. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's straightforward. Most people find it easy to set up and take down when not in use. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable rack that can support various loads. Skip this one if you have a truck with an integrated toolbox, as it won't fit. For the price, it's a solid investment for outdoor projects or work needs. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next product on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more protection for their cab. Product number 3: VEVOR Universal Cargo Rack. Now let's talk about the VEVOR Truck Ladder Rack, priced at $96.90. This one is a great option if you're looking for something extendable and compatible with various truck sizes. This rack has a maximum load capacity of 800 pounds and fits truck beds from 49 to 73 inches, which is fantastic for transporting large items. Additionally, the design prevents deformation, which is essential for maintaining stability over time. You can secure your cargo easily with the included rope hooks. With a rating of 4.5 stars from 79 customers, it's gaining traction for good reason. However, some users mention that it requires drilling for installation, which could deter those looking for a no-drill solution. But I think it's worth it for the sturdiness and reliability you get in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're often hauling oversized items and need something durable. Skip this one if you specifically want a no-drill option. Given its price, it offers great value for a heavy-duty rack. Now, if you need something that avoids drilling entirely, our next pick is designed just for that. Product number 4: MAXXHAUL Heavy Duty Rack. Next up is the MAXXHAUL Heavy Duty Truck Ladder Rack, priced at $109.99. It's designed for versatility and durability, making it a top choice for anyone serious about hauling. This rack features a rugged all-steel construction, which is perfect if you regularly transport heavy materials. This is key for maximizing your truck bed space since it keeps your bed open for other gear. Plus, the powder-coated finish offers great protection against corrosion, ensuring longevity. It even has a 4.2-star rating from over 1,400 reviews, which speaks volumes about its reliability. Some users did find the installation a bit more complex than expected. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile rack that can handle various tasks. Skip this one if you have a deep bed, as it's tailored for a specific height. For the price, you get excellent durability and flexibility. If the side mount design didn't sit well with you, the next option takes a different approach. Product number 5, Elevate Overcab Rack. Finally, we have the Elevate Overcab Ladder Rack, priced at $338.99. It's on the higher side, but it brings some unique features that might be worth considering. This rack supports up to 800 pounds, and the overcab design prevents damage to your truck's top from longer cargo. This is a crucial feature if you often carry items like lumber or ladders that extend over the cab. The no drilling required installation is a major plus for those who want to avoid damaging their truck. It also has integrated rails and cleats for extra security, enhancing the safety of your load. With a 4.3-star rating from 667 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its thoughtful design. However, the price point is definitely higher than others on this list. Some might find it excessive if they don't regularly transport larger items. But if you do, the peace of mind and protection it offers can be well worth it. This is perfect for you if you frequently carry oversized items and want to protect your cab. Skip this if you're looking for a budget-friendly option. It's a solid investment if you need that extra reliability. So there you have it, the VEVOR Extendable Ladder Rack, JY Performance Rack, VEVOR Universal Cargo Rack, MAXXHAUL Heavy Duty Rack, and the Elevate Overcab Rack. Each one brings unique advantages to the table, whether you need flexibility, durability, or ease of installation. Think about what features matter most to you, and you'll find the perfect ladder rack for your truck.